How many, before I even ask?
I'll do it.
You have, I'm going to hand you a bag, and you're going to open it one at a time, but you have to commit to eating what's in the bag.
At least try it. This is food, and the Arabic name for yogurt is zabadi.
Body.
So she got yogurt. Okay. The next one, what's it say? What's yours say? Zabib.
I think it's vanilla.
Zabib is what? Raisins.
You like raisins, Malachi? Okay, well, you can eat your raisins.
Turn it where you can see the word on this side, guys. Okay, what's the next one?
Mercy, can you turn yours where you can see the name?
I can smell it.
Turn yours around. Carrots.
I think it's like a whole.
Jezra's carrots.
I thought that was wrong when she said it.
Okay.
Hey guys, we need to put the ingredients. It's going to make a fall, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Cora has sukar. What's sukar? Now it.
Oh, I think I know what this is.
Sugar.
Yeah, it's sugar.
It's sugar.
No, you do not have to eat all the sugar.
No.
Because I don't want Kara to be mad. Okay, Naya, how brave are you? What do you got?
What's her say it is? Basila.
Oh, you got the other one. What is it? Oh, you
No.
got an onion.
She got an onion. Okay, Cameron, what's yours say? It says K-E-R.
No, it's not. I can tell you that.
Cucumbers.
You two want to trade?
Okay, Jabin or Jabin
Jabin is cheese.
cheese.
What you got, Brayden?
What's Braden got? His is
Bacon.
bacon. It's
Bacon.
lam khanzir.
Okay.
Kika.
What do you got?
Kika is
Cake.
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 Kika is cake.
Oh, I'm sorry. What do
Okay.
you got? Okay.
What's her say? Mel. That's
Very salty.
salt.
Oh, you gotta get it.
You don't have to eat it.
Okay.
Coraline's eating hers. She got the yogurt. You got the raisins.
Boys,
Do you like carrots?
how many of you thought,
Like carrots?
how many of you were they as bad as you thought they were going to be? No, I didn't think they were bad at all. Miss
Look,
Kathy decided
Daniel.
not to be on.
Bacon. He's sharing his bacon. All right.